It would appear this has had an excursion to the scenery. It's a front splitter and under tray for a BMW Mini. So we've lost this piece here, and we've got damage here. So I'm going to replicate this here, over there. Need to clean this up first though. Theory is tape this buffalo board here, last thing on is the glass sticking to this, and I don't think waxing will be enough, and I'll just have to stick that much PVA on. I just think this will be quicker. I'm going to tape this section up, which matches the bit we did on the splitter. Then we can give it a quick wax just to make sure that it's going to release, which it will release anyway, but just so we don't end up making a mess of it. Or you'll just see. Let's do it. Sorry, a bit on the wonk in the last shot. So we're all taped up. I've gone past where we need to. I don't want any gel coat and resin running past and bonding the bumper to the splitter, so we'll bolt the pair of them up and then start, I think. So we've just got a clamp just holding that corner down. Need that to be flush on that edge. There's a couple of little gaps just underneath. I think I might just put a bit of tape on this edge, stop it just all running out completely. Just a bit of masking tape will do over that. Can always sand it off after. So I think with that, we'll get you set up and we'll make a start. I'm giving it a quick wax, just buff that off gently. I wanted to use black gel coat, but it seems to have gone off. .225 for the start. Just tends to conform a little bit easier in the first layer. believe me, it wasn't worth watching. I lost count of the amount of layers I put on. It needs to be about, can you see, about that thick, so somewhere in there, to build this area up, to make that level, to join them two. But now, so we'll just wait for that to go off then. We've got a couple of fixing points to put in, one there, one here somewhere, oh no, that is it, one there, one here, and then one in the corner. So we'll let that go off, and probably tomorrow now we'll come back and get that trimmed up, cleaned up. We'll see you then. Right, it's all gone off. It's not the next day, it's, I don't know, the day after that or something. So we're going to see if we can persuade this to come off. Bear with me with the shaky cam. I've lost my adapter from a tripod. Right, let's see if we can get this off. Cheers. I'm still here, just undoing bolts. I think what's happened is the gel coat's crept under a little bit. It's okay. It'll pop off in a minute. Sorry guys. So we'll just get that trimmed up. Cleaned up, trimmed up. That'll be fine. I just need to mark it up and trim it then. That's the next job. I think we just about got away with that. As in falling off the tripod falling off the bench. So that's all trimmed. But this piece here where that shouldn't be like that, it should be flat and radius under, so I'm going to shape all that, get this nice and flat and replicate to the shape it should be. Get some weight off it as well. Just another quick test fit. Everything looks fine. So I've got a little tiny bit to repair over here, and I'd like to do something at the bottom of that one. So we'll get that done and get it prepped and painted. All done. Put little fixings on there, there and there. I think that should do the job. All sorted. Now to tidy this mess up. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next time.